Her. Hey y'all. Hey. Welcome back to another vlog. We had we've been kind of missing in action. Of course, Chew is working today, but we've been kind of missing in action because Bam Bam, he's sick. We had a whole vlog for y'all, taking him to the vet, taking Roxy to the groomers. Girl, it's so sad. Bam Bam too sick. He's so sick. But he's getting better. That's the good news. But I just don't want to edit that right now because it's sad, you know? It's our son. So this is the Juneteenth vlog. By the time y'all seeing this, happy Juneteenth. But I wanted to come up here and tell y'all what I'm cooking. Look, Roxy thinks it's time to play. Girl, it's not time to play. But today I'm gonna marinate the food. I think I'm definitely for sure gonna make fried chicken. Red beans and rice. I think I'm gonna slow cook the red beans and rice. I feel like it's giving Popeyes, you know, fried chicken, red beans and rice. Just real nigga shit on Juneteenth. Why not? Ain't we some niggas? But I'll talk to y'all a little bit later. I'll talk to y'all a little bit later because, you know, Chew's not off of work and I'm just sitting here talking to myself because I'm bored. About to go get my toes done and yeah. Oh, I learned how to roll yesterday too. So, see y'all later. I might be asking yourselves, why does she always hold her titties?
Because I don't want your back to hurt.
Exactly. Duh. Okay, y'all.
Let me play with this damn dog.
Alright, y'all. So, today's Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth. Oh, did y'all catch that? But, yeah. It's the morning time. We about to... I do need to get a watermelon from the store. But, we're about to, smoke all brown today, making red beans and brown rice, okra, cabbage, frying the chicken. We're not grilling today. We frying the chicken, putting it in the work of our ancestors. I think I might make macaroni and cheese. I'm so scared. But I'm gonna make macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna make macaroni and cheese today too. And cornbread and deviled eggs. We'll talk to y'all later. After we get settled with coffee and smoke. Peace. Alright, y'all. In the kitchen. Gotta take the first shot for the festivities. I started prepping. I got the eggs on, got the chicken cleaning, and I'm about to put on the red beans and the rice first for the red beans and rice, and then I'll put on the red beans. So y'all, come on back. Oh, Zappy, you know. Whoa. Put your specs back on.
No, I want to be cool on camera. Your hair follicles look huge.
What hair follicles?
They're huge.
Don't talk shit.
We got matching stashes. We so like connected. Sometimes like we kiss and then it just gets stuck. See y'all. I got houses to look for. Put my drink back in the fridge.
All right. Oh. Cause we
start with straight shots
and then
pop bottles.
Huh?
Pour it on the model.
What?
Shut up and swallow.
What?
And then shit. Goggle. Fresh up out of. Oh, wait, mama. Take a goggles on fresh than a bottle.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
We came up here to do this. The chicken is clean. The seasons are
Seasoning. Don't
season
on
out.
my sneeze.
Oh yeah, girl. Ooh, that's cayenne pepper in there. We're having spicy fried chicken. Hello.
Oh, spicy?
Spicy
on my out.
Spicy on my spicy fried chicken. And then, you know, everything else I told y'all. But yeah, we're not going to the Beltline or Piedmont Park or whatever the fuck it is, because first of all, it's Juneteenth and I need to cook. Second of all, it's no parking probably down here.
I didn't even think about that.
Third of all, that's just it.
We shouldn't be driving pretty much.
Because we're about to take this other shot, so.
We said we was gonna go at 3, so we'll see how we feel at 3.
Girl,
but right now it's
2:08
and we're taking another shot and I'm rolling another blunt.
Let's not going at 3. We're chilling at the house.
We got a lot more important things to do.
Yeah.
And to play nigga field day.
Alright, y'all, so here's a shot.
But I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know what you want. Oh, what it just put it in the song. Alright.
So y'all see what's going the fuck on right here? It needs to cook some more, so let's go.
Skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry or spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or 2, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know better. Know you prove better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to the weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want, it don't matter.
Okay, y'all, the food is done. We about to go to bed. Not really. I'm just not recording anymore. But I did want to try the chicken on camera. I don't know if y'all can see, but good night. Happy Juneteenth. That one came from the ancestors. One more time.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me like my side of the road. That's